Hi guys, this is Manish and today's video we're going to do the first impression or you can say the unboxing of this Realme 5. So let's find out what are we are getting inside this box, what kind of charger we are getting it. Of course, they're going to be simple SIM injector tool and the software TPU cover. But what about the first impression about this Realme 5? How the photographs are coming out this from Realme 5 from this first quad camera setup from this Realme. So let's find out in this video.
So this is the Realme 5. Over the box you can see this is coming with the massive of 5000 mAh battery. This is the quad camera setup from the Realme in the coming up the Realme 5. On the side you're able to see the Realme 5 branding. On the back you're able to see the crystal blue. This is the crystal blue in color. It is of the RAM of 4GB and the ROM of 64GB. On the side again you can able to see the Realme branding. And on top of that you are able to see the rear camera setup of 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and the front camera is of 13 megapixel, and the battery is of around 5000 mAh. The price range is around 12,000 rupees. Inside the box you are getting the one phone, one charger, one USB cable, one SIM injector tool, one safety guide and one quick guide, and one protective case. This is the simple protective case of the normal TPU cover which you are getting with the every phone. This is the charger which you're getting with this Realme 5. Again, if you're able to see, the input of it is around 240 volts. If I talk about the output, is around 2 ampere, which is again a normal sort of charger, not a heavy sort of charger. So this phone is coming with your USB type charging, not with the heavy of the type C charging cables which we required in this Realme 5. So this is the Realme 5. And if I show you on the front, you're able to see the 18 megapixel camera sitting on the top, and on top of that there's the speaker grill, and there's a small bezel on the bottom of this Realme 5. On the side you're able to see the power on and off button, and on the side you're able to see the volume rocker buttons, and this is the SIM injector tray. On the top there's very much clean device, or can you say the clean setup from the Realme 5. And on the beneath you're able to see the 3.5mm audio jack, 2 speaker grills, and a normal charging point for your Realme 5. And just to show you on the back side of this phone, on the back side you're able to see the 4 rear camera setup which is of 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel for the depth sensing. And here is your fingerprint access for this Realme 5. Overall, if you're able to see, this is the various colors which you're able to see this in Realme 5, and a plastic protective case you can see if you don't use the cover is already there on the back side of this Realme 5. Let me just quickly go to settings over here and show you that how the settings is looking up in this Realme 5. So in this Realme 5, once you go to about phone, you're able to see the Colors OS version of 6.0.1 and the Qualcomm Snapdragon of 665. The free RAM which you're getting is of around 47 GB, and the Android security patch is been latest to August 5, 2019. So let me just quickly take a couple of camera samples and show you that how it looks in this Realme 5. So there we have video, photo, portrait mode, and other various features of slow motion, time, expert, nightscape, and the ultra macro. So let's quickly see that how it is in this photo mode.
So from overall the pictures coming out of this Realme 5 or any of the Realme device, it seems to be very much interesting and very much clear as compared with the other brands in the lower version. Even though this phone is around 12,000 rupees, this is a must-buy phone if you want to go for this Realme brand. So from my side, I give a big thumbs up if you want to purchase this Realme in the price range of around 12,000 rupees. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in the next one.